Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I was kind of under the weather these past couple of days, but I'm back in the kitchen now. But anyway, I'm making some taco soup. I'll be using 1 pound of lean ground beef. I might use 2 cans of corn. I got frozen corn in there. I can use frozen. Some diced tomatoes. Some light. You ain't got to eat now. I'm making what I like, sir.
No.
I'm putting in some light red kidney beans. People usually use black beans. I don't want no black beans. And I don't have the dark red kidney beans. I thought I had some. But this is all I got. You can also use the chili beans. It has the thick sauce. Walter was shaking his hand. Don't use this. Okay, I'm using this. And I'm using this. The hot rotel. And I'll be adding in some taco sauce. For the liquid, I'll be using the reduced sodium chicken broth. You can use beef broth since you're using hamburger meat, which is beef. And these are the seasonings I'll be using. Okay. Of course, I'll be using the taco seasonings. I'm going to use maybe 3 tablespoons of the taco seasoning, or you can just buy the packets of taco mix. So I'm using 3 tablespoons. I have the spicy ranch seasoning. If you just have the regular ranch seasoning, then use that. You can use the whole packet. So use maybe 2 tablespoons of this. I'm using the Italian seasoning blend. A little dab of celery seed. The Matteson seasoning. There's no salt in anything up here. Granulated onion, granulated garlic, and the ground white pepper. And I had some pepper up here somewhere. I need to fill this back up because it don't work right when it's down low like this. Pepper. And what else? And when it's done, I'm going to add my tortilla chips. I got a few left from when I had nachos one day. And I'll be topping it with mild cheddar cheese. That's when it's done. So let me move this over here. Okay, let's get started. I'll be cooking it in my Presto electric kettle. It has a heating element. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Plug this in. I love using my kitchen gadgets, y'all. You know, I got a set of good cookware, but I like kitchen gadget cooking. It don't look like this will hold everything, but it will. Okay, I'm going to start with the meat. Like I said, this is lean ground beef, so I don't have to be dipping out grease. This is the 93 lean 7% fat. Don't tell me I can't open the plastic. I always keep a garbage bag nearby so I can clean up as I go. put many different kinds of beans in here as you want to. Some people use pinto beans, black beans, red beans. Somebody use white beans. And I don't season my ground meat until after it's done. Okay, I'm gonna let this brown and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. The meat is brown. I haven't put any seasoning in it yet. You guys see that? I use my hamburger breaker up for thingamajig. At this point, I'm going to add the beans, and I found another can of beans. Dark red kidney beans. I'm going to add the juice and all. Now, if you got black beans, drain it, and rinse that. Don't put no black bean juice in here. I'm using the light red kidney beans. I'm gonna drain the corn. It's almost like making chili, except we got all this extra stuff in it. It has a different flavor profile than chili. I want all these corns out. I'm adding my rotel, the hot rotel. It's diced tomatoes with habaneros. They got mild rotel, regular rotel. And tomato, diced tomatoes with green chilies. That's from that top. That's why I use lean ground beef, so I don't have to be dipping out grease. It's going to be a thick, hearty taco soup. And I like to make mine soupy. You can use this as a dip for chips if you want to. But now I want some food. Okay, now I'm going to add the seasonings. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of this taco seasoning mix. Do I want to measure? This has salt in it. Do I shake it up? Blend all the seasonings together. Open up the big side. That's about a tablespoon. Another tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. Put that aside so I don't forget and use it again. Use about 2 tablespoons of the ranch. And this is the spicy ranch. If you don't like it spicy, just get the regular. I'm breaking this paper. No, I'll just sprinkle this. This adds some kind of kick to it, special twang. Sazon. It has garlic, cumin, coriander, onomato, paprika, and there's no MSG and no salt. just good flavorings. Italian seasoning blend, no salt. Let me open the big side. I said, as I use these, I put them aside because I'll forget. And use it again, I wonder why it's tasting funny. Celery seed, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. What's this? Granulated onion. Ground white pepper. Granulated garlic. Because most people use garlic. Garlic paste. You can fill this back up. That's good. What else? When it's like this, it looks like a dip. Get you some nice sturdy chips. You can fill a tortilla up with this and eat it like this. I want to use my taco sauce at this point. Okay. It tastes tomatoey. Tomatoey. Okay, get that out the way. At this point, I'm gonna, like I said, I like mine soupy. I don't want it thick like a stew. Just a minute. This is what it looks like at this point. I want it soupier than this. A little more chicken broth. Okay, let all these flavors melt together. Let it simmer. And I will be back. Okay, my soup is basically done. Taco soup. So I'm going to put some in my bowl and present it to you. That's going to be my bowl now. And here's my bowl of taco soup. I have crushed tortilla chips in there and some mild cheddar cheese on top. You have to be careful with the amount of tortilla chips you put in there because they're salty. You don't want to make your food too salty after you have done all that work. Look, I'm going to taste it. Okay, y'all, my food is done. Time for the taste test. Eating out of my this kind of bowl my sister bought me and Walter. Stoneware. It's piping hot. I don't want to burn my taste buds. I'm gonna get some of this cheese on the chip. Okay, this cheese is straight. Just enough salt is good. And the ranch salad dressing mix, it added like a zing to it. It's just juicy enough. Okay. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit.